In this video, we're going to assemble the mission style coffee and end table kits from Osborne. These kits come with everything you need to build a DIY matching coffee and end table set. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. The mission style table kits from Osborne are a great addition to any space in your home. Each kit will come with a table base, tabletop, and the necessary installation hardware. If you're interested in learning more about these kits or any of our other table kits, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below and you can check those out. To begin assembly, we need to first install the two longest rails in the kit using the pre-cut mortise and tenon joinery. Once the two longer halves of the table base have been assembled, connect them together using the two shorter skirt boards in your kit. Once again, the two halves will connect together using a screw into the pre-installed pocket holes. Once the skirt boards are attached to the table legs, install the corner blocks using the supplied bolt into the pre-installed threaded insert of the leg. The corner blocks will add extra strength to the table kit and protect it for years to come. After the corner blocks are in place, take a 1/2 inch wrench and snug the bolt down, making sure not to over tighten it. Finally, use the supplied screws to secure the corner blocks to the skirt boards. We can repeat this process for the end table kit before attaching the base to the tabletop. To attach the table base to the tabletop, place your tabletop upside down on your work surface and measure for the proper overhang. This kit will have a 2-inch overhang on all sides, so it's important to make sure it's centered up before attaching. All of our table base kits come with pre-drilled pocket holes for attachment, but we also offer Z-clip fasteners and figure 8 fasteners depending on your project preferences. If you're interested in any of these systems, be sure to check out the links below. You can repeat the attachment process for the coffee table kit before sanding the top to 220 grit and adding the finish of your choice. Thanks for joining us for this video. If you're interested in learning more about full table kits from Osborne, be sure to check out the links below. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.